Okay, Julie. So here is a little bit about the factoring problem and how it relates to probability items and dice. So I'm on the GeoGebra website, and I'm going to go to GeoGebra Classic, and I'm going to choose when it pops up here. I'm going to go up here to the Pancake Stack, Perspectives, and I'm going to choose CAS, the Computer Algebra System. And if I wanted to create a polynomial that would model a six-sided die, my polynomial would look like this: x to the sixth plus x to the fifth plus x to the fourth plus x to the third plus x to the second plus x. So in a polynomial, the coefficient is the number of times that the number appears on the dice, and the exponent is the actual number on the dice. So I will press enter, and if I wanted to simulate rolling two rolls of this dice, I would just simply go, I think I would go $1 inside parentheses, and I would square that, and then I would expand. And so this tells me that there is 4 ways to get a 9 when I roll 2 dice. And there are 6 ways to get a 7 when I roll 2 dice. And there is only 1 way to get a 2 when I roll 2 dice. Now, when I factor this, so I'm going to factor the thing that is in line 3. These are my factors. And so it's as if a 6-sided die has the same distribution as rolling. Actually, I guess this would be a 1-sided dice with a 2 on it. This would be a 2-sided dice, essentially a coin with a 1 on it and a 0 on it, and I'm flipping that twice. This would be a dice, a 3-sided dice with a 2 on it, a negative face with a 1 on it, and one face with a 0 on it, flipping twice. And this is a 3-sided dice with a 2 and a 1 and a 0 on it. And so what we can do is we can rearrange these factors to create a new kind of dice. So maybe I go x squared times x plus 1 squared. Oop, let me fix that puppy. Expand that. This is a 4-sided dice. There is 1 4 on the dice, 2 3s on the dice, and 1 2 on the dice. So this is where a computer algebra system comes in, because the kids can rearrange factors without having to go through all the multiplication. If you want them to multiply them, they could, because I don't think it is overly difficult, but that is kind of how this would work. Let me know if you want to talk more about this.